In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 1010 app not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your 1010 app is updated to the latest version. So you want to head over to the App Store and search for the 1010 app. Now, from here, you want to make sure that the app doesn't have any update button. So if it has, you might as well want to update your app first. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to your phone settings. Now, scroll down to your general settings and select iPhone storage. And from here, you simply want to search for the 1010 app. And to fix bugs for this app, if it's not working, simply tap on Offload App. So this will delete the app data and majority of the bugs from the app. After offloading, simply tap on Reinstall App, and after reinstalling, you are good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.